The 2025 Isuzu D-Max continues its legacy as a durable, dependable, and versatile pickup truck designed to excel in challenging terrains while offering a comfortable and feature-rich driving experience. With a rugged build and advanced technology, the 2025 D-Max is ideal for both work and leisure, combining practicality with modern aesthetics and innovation. The exterior design of the D-Max is bold and commanding, with a prominent front grille, angular LED headlights, and a high ground clearance that underscores its off-road capability. Strong body lines and flared wheel arches emphasize its tough demeanor, while alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 20 inches, add a modern and sporty touch. Optional features like roof rails, skid plates, and a bed liner enhance functionality and versatility. Inside, the 2025 D-Max offers a refined cabin with high-quality materials and ergonomic design. The double cab configuration provides ample space for 5 passengers, ensuring comfort during long journeys. An advanced 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, along with a 4.2-inch digital driver display for key driving information. Features like dual-zone climate control, leather-trimmed seats, and a multifunction steering will make the interior both practical and comfortable. Under the hood, the Isuzu D-Max 2025 is powered by a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, it offers smooth performance and excellent towing capability, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks. With an available 4-wheel drive system, the D-Max ensures superior traction and stability on rough and uneven surfaces. For those seeking improved fuel efficiency, a smaller 1.9-liter diesel engine option is also available, catering to varied driving needs. The safety features of the D-Max have been significantly upgraded, with advanced systems such as autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring included in its advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. Rear parking sensors, a surround view camera, and a reinforced body structure further enhance safety. With a starting price of approximately $35,000, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max is a robust and reliable pickup truck that caters to drivers who demand capability and comfort in equal measure. Whether tackling tough jobs or exploring off-road adventures, the D-Max stands out as a practical and modern choice for a variety of lifestyles.